Hi besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We're best friends. We're completely opposites. Shannon is tired of Colourpop letting her down, and I went in for more.
It's true. It's true.
Okay. Not gonna lie.
So this is the Colourpop Christmas box.
It's the Hauliday, like as in haul.
This was $49.
$49. I had a coupon code. Don't remember what it was.
I don't remember.
Yeah. So Colourpop, we have a love-hate with Colourpop. Sometimes
when they bring it, they bring it.
Yes.
When they don't, they don't.
What is wrong with your face? Okay. So
it's my scary smile.
It is.
The Halloween Colourpop box was so good for me that I was like, the next one's gonna be bad. And here we are with the next one already.
Yeah.
Like just a few weeks.
Yeah. We definitely have a love-hate with Colourpop. They, for some reason, can't stay consistent.
This box.
Oh, that's so cute. That would have been cute at our trailer park tragedy this weekend. So basically, Shannon was carrying around a skunk carcass and wanting people to pet her kitty.
Her name was Loretta Lynn.
And I screamed the whole time. I'm like, I'm sure I do not want to pet your kitty.
Most people did pet my kitty.
I couldn't do it. It was so bizarre. Look on our Facebook for the pictures. I've got proof that this really happened. All right, where are we starting? Oh,
you're not supposed to look.
Sorry. So this is a Fresh Kiss Strawberry Milk Lip Scrub. Okay. Not a terrible start. This is, I know why you started here, because it's going to go downhill from here.
What was under my hands.
Oh. All right. Strawberry Milk Lip Scrub. Let's give her
a sniffer. No, it's fine.
Okay.
Oh.
It smells
strawberry shortcake.
Like the lip chap that you used when you were...
Strawberry chapstick.
Yeah.
Or a lip smackers, a strawberry lip smackers.
Bonnie Bluebells. Super cute. I always love a lip mask. There's nothing wrong with one. I'm going to use it. There's one. Okay. Here we go. So these are the Jelly Much Gel eyeshadows. We got one in the Valentine box, and this was a mess. It
was so goopy.
It was disgusting. This is in the color Field of
Fairies.
Is that what that word is?
Yeah.
Field of Fairies. It actually looks really pretty, like a beautiful gold color. Yeah, it is very pretty.
It's really pretty.
But it's a mess. You open it up and it's just...
It was really goopy.
This isn't for me. I don't like the formula. I don't like the texture. It's not something I enjoy. This is a lip pencil in the color... Beeper. Okay. I don't think I've ever had this one. Although this looks extremely cool toned.
It is cool. It's cool tone nudie.
Okay. I'm going to give her a swatch just to see what she looks like. It's fine. I'll use it.
Yeah, it's not obnoxious.
Terrible. No. It'll probably add some pretty color to a brown somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we've gotten this before in the last box. We got this.
You got this in the last box. I got Stranger Things.
Oh, okay, yeah. So this is one of those color shifting duochrome, multi-chrome
eyeliner situations.
We got the exact same color. I like the Wet n Wild ones, so those are what I've been using.
Sure it was the same color?
Yeah, it was the same exact color.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is the color Aglow. It's grass.
It's fine. It's like a goldish, greenish, bluish shift. It's beautiful. It's fine. Okay, so this is an ultra glossy lip in the color...
Major Throwback.
Major Throwback. I have that. I just decluttered it, and I wasn't a fan of it. It's kind of a gray toned, nudie situation. Didn't love that either. Next. Okay, so this is a liquid blush in the, in the color Angel Face. We got this in the last box as well.
If you want to see swatches, go watch
the other last box.
The fall box.
Was it the fall one?
Or was it the summer
It
one?
might have been the one before.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's very, very bright pink. Not for my skin tone. Okay. So here's the Colourpop Fresh Kiss Watermelon Sugar. Watermelon Sugar. Harry Styles, I hear you. I like these. I've gotten one.
This is the Glossy Lip Balm. It's a little bit balmy, but it's a little bit glossy. They're nice.
They are. We got it in chocolate. We've gotten it in watermelon, strawberry. Strawberry. So this is watermelon. I love it. It's going to be great. I'm excited about this.
And there's no point in swatching it because it's a balm. It's mostly clear.
And it smells like watermelon. So Juicy Plumping Lip Oil. In the color, it's a date. So
it's the color of a date.
Whose date?
The date in like a date bar.
Oh. I'm like, neither of us have brown dates on Fridays.
It's true.
This is not for me. I don't love a plumping lip situation. And she's not going to wear the color. So...
if you were to want to do a plumping lip situation, this would be a color.
This would be a color I would wear, but I don't like the feeling. It reminds me of going into anaphylactic shock, and I don't love that either. Pretty Fresh Lock It In Setting Spray. I've used this too. Is this the powdered one? The one that has powder in it?
When you spray it, it dries down as a powder?
No, this is not the same one.
No, this is not.
Okay. So, lock it in spray. Can you tell me if this is hydrating or mattifying?
It's got peptides and niacinamides, 16-hour all-day wear time, transfer-proof, waterproof. Pretty locked in. Waterproof, transfer-proof setting spray locks your makeup in place for 16 hours with a natural finish. No touch-ups needed. Ultra-fine mist boosts hydration and soothes to refresh your skin throughout the day. Infused with peptides, niacinamide, green tea, and aloe vera. So
I will use this because I love the word hydration, glow, all those things. This is not the one that dries down and makes your face matte with the powder, the powder infused. I didn't like that one. But yeah, this will be fine. I need a setting spray anyways. I was going to dig one out, but not that one. Wait a minute. I want to try the squirter.
Yeah, see how it sprays.
See how it squirts first.
That's fine.
Oh, completely unscented. I appreciate that. Do you smell a thing?
Maybe. Spray it in. No.
Okay. I like the spray. It's a little bit aggressive.
There's a lot of spray, but the mist was fine.
The mist was big.
You ready for the final?
I don't know. Feeling tested?
Toasty?
Oh.
Toasty.
Okay. I don't know that I love this color story.
That surprises me.
This reminds me of Cocoa Nutsack.
Uh-huh.
And I really didn't love that one either.
I think Cocoa Nutsack was a little cooler.
Was it?
Yeah.
Do you want to swatch it?
I mean, are you going to use it?
I don't think I'm going to use it. I don't think I'm going to use it, but
Well, we're going to open it and show
it
without the lid on it.
Okay.
This is really pretty. You sure? You sure you're not going to use that? She's lost her mind.
I'm just trying to be more selective and touch things that I don't have in the color story of every other palette I own. And that reminds me of a lot of things I already own.
That's why I'm shocked that you didn't want to touch it, because it looks like everything else you've owned.
I'm trying to be a little bit choosier. All right.
$49.
$49, and
I don't feel like you got a lot that you'll use.
This is what I'm keeping.
So 4 items, you paid $5 an item for things that you'll use. And you've got some good things here that you'll, like, you know these are good. You know they're fine. They're just not your color. And this is a pretty palette. Someone's going to love to get
I'm not mad at the palette. If I didn't have that in every single palette I own, I'd be excited about that.
Yeah. If you liked a lip plumping situation, you would have liked to get this color.
Yes.
This is really pink. Like, I lean pink on my blush a lot, and this is pink. These are fine. It's fine.
I think you made the right call by skipping out on this one.
I'm not having any FOMO for this one.
Yeah.
Because they're...
A lot of it is repeated. A lot of it. I would
have used this, and this. So, yeah, I'm not mad that I skipped this one.
Yeah. So, did you guys get this box, and did you guys like it more than me? So, I have to admit that I miss the days when we would get 2 and 3 palettes, or we'd get the bigger palettes.
Yeah.
So, those were, I don't know why I felt like those were way more exciting days than this stuff.
Well, this is such a lot of repeat too.
Yeah.
So they've just stopped repeating some of the other things and started repeating all of this.
Yeah. Did you guys get the box? Did you guys feel underwhelmed? Did you guys love the box? Like, talk to us about how you felt.
Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring our ding-a-ling.
Ding-a-ling-a-ling.
We'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.